Door swing clearance is the simple rule that ensures doors open without hitting furniture and allows safe egress. For primary doors, we aim for a clear opening of 32 to 36 inches measured between the doorstop and the face of the opposing frame, while the door is open, which allows comfortable passage for most furniture and people. Measure the door opening net width after accounting for trim and weather stripping so you do not overestimate usable clearance. At the latch side, leave about 18 to 24 inches of maneuvering space so someone can stand and operate the door without blocking the swing path. This is especially important near stairs and in tight entryways. In tight corridors, maintain about 36 inches of corridor width where feasible so two people can pass or a piece of furniture can be pivoted through. If that is not possible, consider route changes such as reversing opening direction or enlarging the rough opening. Use pocket or sliding doors when floor plan limitations prevent a required swing area because these eliminate arc space and let you keep the full width for circulation. Always simulate the door arc with a measuring tape or a temporary cardboard template before finalizing locations for furniture, light switches, or handrails. Common mistakes are assuming the nominal door size equals usable width, which leads to blocked passage. Fix this by measuring the clear opening after casing and hardware are installed and adjust rough opening width accordingly. Another mistake is neglecting latch side clearance, which causes doors to be difficult to operate when furniture or walls are close. Resolve this by providing the recommended 18 to 24 inches or by changing hinge direction. A third frequent issue is forcing a swinging door into a narrow corridor, which creates pinch points and circulation failure. Avoid this by increasing corridor width to 36 inches where possible or switching to pocket or sliding doors to reclaim arc space. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors and discover practical design guidance related to door swing and clearance. We also support contractors looking for work and run an active discussion community where professionals and homeowners exchange tips and ask project-specific questions.